Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. This is I'll be showing how to get free courses on Udemy. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. So this is another update I'll be sharing you guys. So kindly follow me today and watch this video to the end. First thing you have to do is go to your Chrome website or Chrome browser or any browser you're making use of. So search for this Udemy. Yeah, this Udemy. So as you can see, you see the first link, free Udemy courses. Just click on it. So guys, as you can see, to bring you to this page like this. So the first thing you have to do is just like you have to scroll down first to check maybe they still active coupons. So as you can see, they still have 2,733 active coupons. So the third thing you can see, the expired one, they removed like 13,963 coupons. So as you can see. So the next thing you have to do is scroll up back again. As you can see, you have all coupons, category. As you can see, this Udemy is free way of learning from beginner to professional in a way that everybody can understand. Find best Udemy promo codes and deals on this page and get the best saving on your online learning. Unlike most Udemy coupon providers, this Udemy team clean all expired coupon and try to only active coupon for you. So as you can see, you can click on all coupons or categories. So this category is just like it's showing all the categories, all the courses they have. So is it click on categories. So as you can see, these are the free courses coupon that you can see, the free courses on this with them that you can see. As you can see, based on development, maybe you are into like programmer stuff or website design and stuff like that. So you can choose any of your choice. Maybe like you're into programs of Python, HTML, CSS, or stuff like that. So the next one is graphic design. Maybe you are trying to become a professional graphic designer. You can also come down here, choose any choice you want. Like maybe you're into like photography stuff, Photoshop or Premiere Pro, or into like video design and stuff like that. So I'll be making use of one. As you can see, there are still others as you can check also based on social media and stuff like that. So then just choose marketing. I'll make use of marketing. I really love marketing a lot. So to show me all the courses that are under marketing. As you can see, free course, Udemy marketing courses. So this is it. As you can see, we added 47 new coupon and we deleted 39 expired coupon today. So for now, as you can see, these are other free courses that you can enroll for. So as you can see, build profitable e-commerce stores with WordPress and Justify. Maybe you are interested in, let me just choose one so you can see that it really works now to get free courses. So let me just see. As you can see, yeah. First thing you have to just have to scroll down here. Then you see what's it called, take course. You click on it. After that, it will direct you to another page. As you can see. So learn to design online stores using WordPress. So they don't have much to do here. Coupon not work. No, we're not here for stuff like that. So you click on the link. You copy it. Then wait till it's finished loading. Yeah, as you can see. So make sure before you can start all this stuff like this, make sure that you already have an Udemy account created already. So that's why you can enroll for it. If you don't have an Udemy account, you won't be able to enroll for it. So as you can see, free, the price is 20,900 naira. So free, 100% off. So add cart, no, you just click on enroll now. So as you can see, your cart is free. The original price 18,000, discount minus 18,009. That's it. So you click on enroll now. So as you can see, you have successfully completed your free course. So this is it. So I've already given this course for free now. So for me to check maybe this course is now in my learning stuff like this, my learning. So this is it. Click my learning. This is it. Just to maybe the course has been added to all my learning. So these are the courses that I've already bought before, but these are the new one I just got using the free coupons. As you can see, this is the new one that you just enroll for with profitable e-commerce stores with WordPress. So that's how you enroll for free courses. To check maybe you are being given the course again, you can also come down here and check your Gmail. That's it. And as for more of that again, you can also enroll for more courses you want. So you can also check all these, like checking for more courses again. Click on all coupons. So is it you can check more courses that you really want. Maybe there is a specific one that you really want. You can also check for more and then enroll for it. So that's how it goes. So you'll be given email like you have been, as you can see. These are the Udemy courses you enroll for. Build profitable e-commerce stores with Shopify with WordPress. Sorry. So your orders being processed. So you're all set to start learning. So that's how you enroll for free course. So if you really enjoy my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. If there's any question you need to ask, you can drop a comment below. So good evening. Thanks for watching.